This is just a quick video detailing this very neat LED panel that I bought on Aliexpress for $2.50, which is incredibly cheap. It's a 100-watt LED panel, but instead of having just the big cob that I usually have, this one has single LEDs, and it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So this is probably around 100 LEDs, so each of those is running at about a watt or less, which it's a fair-sized LED for a watt. So this, if this circuitry here is reliable, this should last a fairly long time. This works on 230, 240 volts. You connect it up to live and neutral, and it even has a fuse here, which is great considering how chunky these LED panels from AliExpress usually are. This is a bridge rectifier, and it also has a resistor here, and a couple of control chips. These are just 0 ohm links, all of those. These are test points right around here. There's controller chips here with what looks like a voltage divider here next to the chips, probably to set the current or something. I can't say. I haven't reverse engineered it that far. I suppose it probably does that thing where it sort of rides the sine wave and brings on the LEDs sequentially to get 100 watts. But I tested this. It's incredibly bright, and it also gives a nice large angle of view because the LEDs are just spread over a large surface. I really consider this buying a couple more of these and building bench lighting from it to just flood the workbench from above. I measured the current on this panel I have, and it draws about 230 milliamps, which means it is around 50 watts. That's actually pretty high considering I bought this on AliExpress and what you're usually getting. I still refer to it as a 100-watt panel throughout the video. I should probably also say where I got those from. They came from the Ming and Ben store on AliExpress. I think you can find them from a lot of other sellers, but I bought those from them. And I'll probably insert a picture of the listing there. They have them in 90 watt, 50 watt, 30 watt, 20 watt, and 10 watt versions at 220 volts. At 230, like we use here in continental Europe, it's probably more around 100 watts. And they also on the description they also feature a 100-watt LED floodlight.